हाँ हैप्पी बर्थडे। अभी अच्छा दिख रहा। Today it's my mom's birthday. And yesterday I did a lots of things to prepare for her birthday. Unfortunately, she was not at home as she is coming right now and it's her birthday. I did a little surprise plan for her. For example, this cute decoration. I like it. The bouquet. I'll tell you the story about the bouquet. It's very cute. I have to now prepare the cake and the candles and everything because eventually she will be very busy. After this, she has meeting and all. She could take the day off today, but unfortunately she won't. So yeah, and she is on her way. Also I bought a gift she wanted. Do you hear the background noise? थप्पड़ मार देने का मन करता है जब भी मैं रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ, तब भी कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हरकतें होगा ही होगा. I couldn't record anything while I was buying anything because I went alone for all the shopping and I was carrying all the bags and both my hands were full and like कहाँ से मैं फोन पकड़ूं, तो इसीलिए वो तो नहीं होगा. But I can surely explain what happens. ये ठक ठक फिर से स्टार्ट हो गया. ये मेरी गलती नहीं है. क्या आपने मुंह से कुछ बोलूं भी ना. इसको रिमूव करने की कोशिश करूंगी. 5 सेकंड चुप रहती हूँ. So firstly I wanted to buy something else for her, but unfortunately I got a bit late. I cannot give all the expensive stuff now because. So that's why you need to support me to gift her some nice good things. So anyways, few weeks we went to Pantaloons, mom and I, and she liked something else but she didn't got it. So yesterday I went and got the things she liked. I'm going to give something else to her and it's a poem written by me. I'm going to tell you at the end of the video because if I recite the poem to mom, obviously I'll give the video, but also I have to explain her some words she don't get it, so it's not the way I write, it's just dumb words. Okay. So I have to explain her, and also I'll show that I have never recited any of my poems, though I write often. It's like my poem debut. I'm very excited. You need extra light. And there she comes. Huh? Happy birthday! Happy birthday. Thank you. अभी मेरा गिफ्ट खोलो. Thank you. मुझे लागला मुझे पता था लास्ट टाइम जब गई थी she wanted this and it was so costly so she didn't get it. Hitu try कर. দুটা পিন্দি বাবা I like this. Yes, I know. Thank you. এটাহে ভাল লাগছে. अभी अच्छा दिख रहा है कि नहीं है? ये मेरे एक दोस्त ने आपके लिए भेजा है. He wanted to wish you happy birthday. Thank you. अभी पार्टी कहाँ दोगी वो बताओ. पार्टी कहाँ लगेगा?
One eternity later.
So now it's almost 1 and now I'm going to city center for party and of course the music will still be there. इधर धर्म इधर धर्म. I don't know क्यों हमारे गली में ही सब कंस्ट्रक्शन ही होना है, तो sorry for that. I wore this. कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा कि खुद ही गिफ्ट दे के खुद ही पहन रही हो. मैं पहन रही हूँ, मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मम्मी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है और मेरे कपड़े को साथ मैच हो रहा है. कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. बाहर छोड़ो, घर में भी शांति नहीं है. यही एक कोना मिला है जहाँ मैं अपना नया ड्रेस प्रदर्शन कर सकती हूँ. सो यही है. तो अभी चलते हैं. मम्मी पहले ही कहीं जा चुकी है. अभी मम्मी मुझे वहीं पे मिलेगी जहाँ मैं जा रही हूँ. मतलब मम्मी तो पहुँच गई है, अभी मैं पहुँचूंगी और मेरा रैपिडो अभी तक आया नहीं है, तो इसलिए मैं ये सब टाइम पास कर रही हूँ. ओके बाय. So we are in city center right now. घूमने के लिए नहीं, एक्चुअली में खाने के लिए आए थे. Unfortunately, I forgot कि आज संडे है, क्योंकि आधा से ज्यादा लोग तो यहाँ पे आज घूमने ही आएंगे. And I wanted to take her in a very good place, so इसलिए यही आना. Because she never went to Lama Bayeti. यहाँ मैं पहले भी आई थी, so the food and the vibe both are good. Everything was good until she let me decide the starter. I wanted her to try the momo here, but the rest I had no clue what to order. After 30 minutes of hovering the menu, we decided to order momo and soup.
हमारा स्टार्टर आधा घंटा लगा है, बट फिर जाकर हमारा स्टार्टर कंप्लीट हुआ है. अभी मेन कोर्स में हम अटके हुए हैं, पता नहीं सही. हम 400 रुपये का सूप खा रहे हैं. पहली बात तो मम्मी का पैसा. नाउ मे बी इट्स टाइम टू रिवील द पोएम टू हर.
So now I'm going to do it.
इतना अच्छा कविता सुनने के बाद उनको में आंसू क्यों नहीं आ रहे?
एक घंटा रुकने के बाद मुझे रियलाइज हो गया कि रेस्टोरेंट वाले मुझसे बदला ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि जितना टाइम मुझे स्टार्टर चूज करने में लगा है, उससे ज्यादा टाइम तो ये लोग ले रहे हैं जस्ट मोमो और सूप लाने में. खैर, सूप तो आ गया, बट मोमो आने में फिर से 1 घंटा लगेगा शायद.
मोमो से पहले तो सूप ही आ गया. So we'll try the soup. आटा खा के भी हमारा पेट भर चुका है. अभी हम सब लोग चिंता में हैं कि मेन कोर्स आएगा तो क्या होगा.
And within few minutes it really came. It looked very tasty and it was tasty though. But we were so full by then, because the soup isn't just tasty, it was also very thick. That made us full so quick. So we had how much we could. Mostly I feed it to her because it's her birthday and also फिर मेरा हिस्सा में थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. Honestly यहाँ का खाना अच्छा है. तो क्या हो गया कि हमारा पेट भर गया स्टार्टर में और हम थाली खा नहीं पाए. Doesn't mean it wasn't tasty.
खाना खाने के बाद सब.
Now that our lunch is complete, I'll be going home now. And she will be going to a meeting, then get together with friends. Because birthdays are boring without friends. And as for my poem debut, I tried to record live, but the quality of the voice didn't came out good. So here I go, and do let me know how is it.
Oh, okay.
Her, my origin. She is fierce, a flame untamed. At times too firm, herself she blamed. Yet no one I know stands so tall. In might, she braves it all. To be born her daughter, my greatest gift. 2 souls who see the world askew. But in that view, a bond was built that weathered time and gently grew. All I am, all I strive to be, sprung from the lessons she sowed in me. Though tempers clash and moments stray, my heart will never drift away. And even if I knew the pain, the lights, the lows, the joy, the strain, I would still choose her with refrain, to be born of her again and again. She gave me birth, she gave me life. As stars align just right, I bow to the day her life began, grateful, proud, and forever fan. And that's it, and I really hope you guys like it. And also it's the end of the video, so if you like it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.
Pretty please.
Okay, bye.